Welcome to the last breakfast. Please enjoy the video.
You start immediately by powering down the circuit and grounding yourself. Safety first. Identify package type. 292 versus SOT23 gives expected pin order. Once you have the datasheet or a reference map, note which side faces you and the orientation notch or flat edge. Use a breadboard or gentle clips to isolate the transistor if needed, and set your multimeter to diode test. You now have the prerequisites in place and are ready for electrical verification. You probe systematically, put the red lead on the suspected base for an NPN, black on emitter, and watch for about 6 to 0. 8 volts, that confirms a forward-biased base emitter junction. Once done, reverse the leads, there should be no conduction. Repeat base to collector. For PNP, swap polarities. Make sure to test both directions so you find which pin behaves like base versus collector or emitter. Keep notes since pin labeling now becomes electrical, not just visual. You finalize identification by confirming the collector-emitter behavior. The collector typically shows higher reverse breakdown threshold and different junction leakage compared with the emitter. Once done, assemble a basic bias circuit or use a transistor tester to measure HFE to confirm function and terminal roles. If you see inconsistent diode readings or unexpected continuity, make sure no parallel components or PCB traces are influencing measurements. If necessary, desolder the part.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.